Hi, good evening, everyone. This is David from DAX30. Today is the Wednesday, the 12th of November. The day is now coming to an end. Right, well, what an excellent trading day today has been. The DAX has basically done exactly what we expected it to do, which translated in lovely little profits for the day, profits that were shared with many eToro users. So well done for that. Congratulations for all of those who've made a little profit. And let's sum up basically what we can see and what's happened today. Well, this is the daily chart you've got on the screens right now. Remember the key facts we told you. We were basically on this upwards pullback trend that we had here. We had this bearish divergence on stochastics with overbought RSI, indicating the possibility of a break of the trend line. The trend line kind of withheld pretty well without a bounce. This also shows weakness in the force of this trend line, and we eventually broke it today. Now let's zoom in for you to have a quick look on the 30-minute chart. Well, this is today's chart. You'll remember that we had this Adam and Eve figure here that quite a few people, once again on eToro, cashed in on, so well done for that also. Bounce back on this. Right, if you have a look here, I haven't explained it, I'll do that now quickly. We've got here two lines. Basically, I like to call that the no-fly zone. This is basically the area, because I mean a trend line isn't just a line, it's an area. This is the area where you can actually still have some movements to the upside, to the downside, so it's uncertainty. I call it the no-fly zone. This is basically the zone where no trades will be taken until two candles close below it. This is my policy. So this is basically what's happened today. Here at this stage, we kind of withheld. We were stuck in this no-fly zone, as you can see, until eventually, bang, we broke through it. We broke this important pullback trend line, or positive trend that we had, taking us to the downside at a pretty hefty speed. This obviously is typical. It's typical when we break a trend line that the force of the momentum to the downside is quite intense. So this is what we had. So excellent for this. What we expected it to do. We went down. Well, I mean, basically 150 points, roughly, a bit more. And then, as you can see, I'll zoom in even a bit more for you. We've had a secondary minor trend to the downside that, well, basically was broken tonight. Nevertheless, this isn't a real break. We're not saying we're going to go back to the upside in a new upwards trend. I mean, we kind of consolidate and go sideways. Well, this is, if you have a look at the time, it's 6:45. So at this time, it's logical that we consolidate, go sideways. We might have a bit of a pullback to the area if we draw a Fibonacci retracement. I'll do that for you quickly on this bottom. So it's from here to here. So we've already reached the 23.6. I do expect a Fibonacci retracement to the 38.2, so 92.50 area, which could even take us a little bit higher to touch the upper side of the Bollinger Bands. So call it 92.70-ish. After that, we will be continuing, because as you can see here on the 4-hourly chart, we've nicely broken this upwards trend. We're on our way down now. I'll get rid of Fibonacci. We're on our way down now, and the other thing that we've got here is a lovely head and shoulders figure that's formed. We need to wait confirmation for that. This will trigger some speed to the downside too. So expect to close below the 9,200 figure roughly, and then this should take us to the downside at a pretty hefty speed, I should imagine. Right, well, that's about it for now. Excellent trades on the DAX. Excellent day today. Well done once again to all our eToro copiers and followers, and for those who have copied our trades manually. Have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. eToro, DAX30.com or DAX30.com website. Thank you very much and good evening.